Hey peeps! Welcome to my car. I'm currently sitting outside of a Costa in London, somewhere, and I'm in between meetings and I'm going to go inside and just catch up on some work, some emailing. I have a few Skype calls arranged as well, then I'll be off to do some other meetings, and you're probably going to be seeing the inside of my car quite often because I'm always on the go. So I live in Luton, as you might know or not, and I come to London quite a lot for work, for meetings, for networking, for family, for friends, and to see my boyfriend. So I'm always on the go, often driving quite a lot, and that just brings me onto what I'm going to talk about today. But before I get onto that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ruth Noel. I'm the founder of Twerk, and I direct the vision of the company, and I'm supported by my team of really experienced, qualified and chartered accountants and bookkeepers, and it's an online company. So that's just a quick overview. So in the past I've helped around about 100 people with their accounting, bookkeeping, tax issues, and I'm currently on a mission to grow that to 1,000, and then when we hit that target, we're going to throw a massive party and invite you and everyone to come down, and we're going to have a big tax twerk party with some dancers, music, food, everything. So anywho, so today we're talking about traveling. So a few people have been asking me about travel expenses and what they can claim back. And I actually designed a really handy infographic which you can get for free. If you want to get that, email me if you don't have it already. And on there it lists the top 15 expenses that you should and could claim back for your business. So that goes through all different things from travel expenses, entertainment, materials, products, salary, and a bunch of other stuff as well. And what I'm going to do, if you have questions on those, I'm going to start breaking it down and just doing these videos to explain each one in a bit more detail. So some people might know already about travel expenses and what they claim back, and you might already be claiming back everything in your business. But I guess this video serves as a reminder as well. So this is a reminder, claim your travel expenses, peeps. So for example, now that I'm on the road, driving, etc., when I'm driving for business, my car is actually a personal car, so it's not a business car. So when I'm driving, I keep a little mileage log when it's relating to business. So you can do that as well. If you use your personal vehicle for business journeys, keep a mileage log. You have to keep a log. So that's kind of the main rule about traveling with your vehicle. It's a bit different to other expenses. With this one, you need to keep a log of your mileage and the journeys that you're doing for business. So you can't claim back your personal journeys. So if it's just a trip to see your loved one or your boyfriend or something like that, that is not tax deductible. But if it's for business, yes, you can claim that. And there is a little app which I will put the link below or somewhere. I don't know where this video is going to be hosted. I will put the link somewhere to TripLog. So it's a little app where you don't need to write things down. You just, when you get in the car, you press start. When you come out of the vehicle, you press stop, and it just records the miles for you. So then at the end of each month or each quarter or however we have it arranged, you can pass that on to us, for example, and we'll add that to the accounts for you, and then we'll claim back the mileage allowance for you based on that. So that's really a handy way to do it. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way with paper and a diary, but I always recommend online apps, click button links. Oh my gosh. So that's one thing about mileage and your vehicle. Quick note, if your vehicle is registered in your business name, then it's different. You can claim the petrol, you can claim a lot of receipts back to do with just directly buying petrol. So yeah, if the vehicle is in your business name, you can claim back the petrol really easily. If the vehicle is in your personal name, it's slightly different. So keep your mileage log. Talk to me if you have questions. Just reach out to me. I'll be happy to go into even more detail about your unique situation. Okay, so that covers vehicles. And of course, remember, you can travel, and if you're using the train, bus, tram, you can claim all of that back as well. Your Oyster card, if you're in London, all of those journeys for business, you can just pay directly with your business bank card, for example, as I always recommend. Claim that straight back from your business. If you have cash and you're paying from your own pocket, wait 1 second, it's really hot. Let me wind down the window. It's October and it's really hot. This is lovely. I would show you the view, but there's like another car there. It's not that nice of a view. But yeah. Okay, so if you're paying from your own pocket and you're topping up your Oyster or something like that, get a receipt, and then 1 second. Oh, this is a reminder for a meeting that I have now. Okay, Daniel, I will be with you very shortly. Yeah. Okay, so cash expenses. If you're paying from anything from your own pocket in regards to travel or anything else, then let us know what you paid for directly, and we will reclaim that for you as the director. So you're loaning the company money, we'll claim that back manually, so it works a bit different. Again, just get in touch with me, and if you need to claim back for things that you paid for from your own pocket for your limited company in this case, then let me know. If you're self-employed or a sole trader, then you know it's going to be a bit different. You need to keep all of those receipts anyway. Okay, so that's the travel train. Yeah, if you're flying abroad, for example, if you're a singer and you're going to work in other countries and you're jetting off, you're flying or taking a coach or whatever it is, that is allowable. If you're going to other countries to do your work, to perform, then you can do that. If you're starting a football team and you're chartering a private jet and you're taking the team out to play in another country, that is, in that case, that's tax deductible. You can claim that back as well. So there's so many different examples that I could give, but it does relate to your type of business. The main thing, as always, is if it's genuinely for your business, investment, to grow your business, to work with clients, then, you know, you can claim that back. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. I don't know where this video will be up, probably YouTube. I'll put some links here and there or somewhere. Leave a comment somewhere down below. Let me know your feedback, your thoughts. Yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, like, subscribe. And just a quick note as well, we're going to have another meetup coming up shortly in London at the Google campus again. So that's going to be in November. We're going to announce that really shortly. If you're not already on the Twerk mailing list, then go to taxtwerk.com, taxtwerk.com, sign up, and you'll get a bunch of free tips. You'll get a free ebook with some top tips on how to save time and money on your cash flow, reduce your tax legally, and you will get the first notifications about these videos, the meetups, which is free, and a bunch of other stuff as well. Yeah, and if you find this useful, if you know someone who needs to hear this reminder to claim back your travel expenses, my friend, share it with them. So cool.